Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Whatever. So yeah guys, I know I look like shit, but honey, I don't care. My channel is all about being real, never fake, so I don't care. So yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna do something crazy. It could be on crazy foods. Should this be a crazy food? Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy food because it's weird. This food's really weird. And fun fact for you guys, it's 9 o'clock in the morning right now as I'm filming this. And I didn't sleep. And this is probably going to be after. I'm pre-filming. So I don't know if this video is going to be before or after a video that I'm doing. Oh, I don't know yet. I didn't make it. I didn't make the decision. So I made the decision. This video is going to be after I let a random generator pick my makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that last video, and I hope you guys will enjoy this one. So let's get it. Okay guys, so all you need for this. Oh, I didn't even tell you what the fuck I'm making. Oh my god, I'm such a bad YouTuber. Alright, so what I'm making is spaghetti tacos, and this is inspired by iCarly. I really wanted to do this for so long. I was searching spaghetti tacos and shit, and the only YouTuber that I saw made it was a YouTuber called Madison Bush. So I'll link her down below. She's a big YouTuber, honey. But I'll still link her down below because I love her videos. I just started watching her, and I'm obsessed. Like, I binge watched her shit. I love her with her country accent. Yes, girl, rock it, honey. So yeah, all you need for this spaghetti taco video is spaghetti sauce. I have Ragu traditional. This is the only sauce I have, and I hate it. So yeah, cause I don't like thick sauces. You know, like I like pizza sauce. I like shit that tastes like garlicky, like garlic and herb sauce. I live for it. See, I love marinara sauce, pizza sauce, those type of garlicky sauces that you dip in shit. The only sauces I love. But we're gonna work with what we got today, and we have traditional. So yeah, we got thin spaghetti noodles. I was really like shook. I was looking for everything that I needed. You only need 3 things, but I was shook that I found this. Cause I was like, you know what, we're gonna be ghetto, let's do egg noodles or something. There's gonna be another type of video, or even ramen noodles, bitch. Yes, honey, I got the ramen. So yeah, and obviously taco shells. Let's see if these are stale, because these were in a Ziploc bag. Do they still have their shape? Yeah, 2 does, so I'm gonna make enough for 2. So me and my imaginary boyfriend, yeah! Oh my god! Side note, that was fucking creepy. I don't have, that's a weird shit. Like, me and my imaginary boyfriend, like, girl, shut the fuck up. Also, what you guys need is a pot. Any pot will do, any deep pot. So I'm gonna put hot water in it, and I'm gonna let it boil. Alright, guys, so my water is boiling. And I didn't know if y'all wanted to see my sink. I'm not gonna show it to y'all because it's really gross. It has chicken wings in it, so I don't want y'all to see it. So I'm gonna let the water boil, and I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, I forgot one thing. That was so dramatic. I forgot one thing. You gotta put salt in your water so the noodles won't clump together. So, yeah. I need to put salt in it. And I'm gonna use salt. Wait. Salt. So, let's get it. You only need a little bit, too. It's not like you need a lot. So, let's put it in. And that's all you need. Okay. I don't want it to be salty like the sea. Annie. Okay, case closed. So yeah guys, I'm back, and I think the water looked boiled. So yo, imagine dropping my phone. Ah! Yo, this will be the end of it. Johnny Bear talking a new phone, which is probably gonna be in another year. So thank God it's not dropped. So what we're gonna do is drop the noodles in the pot. Drop the pasta in the water. Oh my god, I need to stop talking like Philly. Okay, this is gonna be hard to do. I don't have a cameraman. Wait, I do. Okay guys, so yeah, we're gonna dump all of this into the water. And you can eat one if you want. So, sorry guys. Now, what you're gonna do is stir it up. You know, I never made noodles before. So I think all you like press it down. Like press some noodles down if they can. Like just stir it up until all of it gets to the bottom of the pan. I mean bottom of the bowl. You know what I mean, bitch. Okay. Shit, my fucking spaghetti fell out my mouth. Okay. Comment down below, do you eat raw noodles too? Like I feel like I'm the only one because I'm fat as shit, but really ASMR crunch. But yeah guys, oh my god, there's one noodle that don't want to participate. You're like, get in the fucking water, hoe. Get in the water, hoe. Oh my god, get in the water. Thank you, bitch. Okay, so stir it up. You want to stir it up like if you're a witch in a cauldron. And that's about it. See, now you're gonna wait until the water starts boiling and the noodles rise up, I think. I don't know. I never made noodles before, so wait. Okay, don't let the noodles come up though. Like, just wait until the water boiling, and then if the noodles start going up, that's when you do it, you know? What you're gonna wanna do is like every like 3 minutes or so, you're gonna wanna stir it up. Sorry if you can't see it. I'm not multi-purpose. What's it called? Multifunctional? And then what you want to do is walk away. It's like no. The hot water splash. So yeah, take a fork and test it out if like the consistency of your noodle that you like. So let's see how I like it. Okay guys, I like my noodles al dente, like really al dente. Like if y'all don't know what al dente means, that means like chewy. I love my noodles chewy. So I just took them out the stove, the fork, I meant the pot. Let's see how it tastes. I mean, they're kind of still raw. I'm gonna let them cook for a little bit more, so I'll see you guys then. Guys, it's literally taking me forever to boil these fucking noodles. I think they're good though. Let me test it again. So I have my noodles in my shirt. So I'm gonna wait for it to cool off and I'm gonna see how it tastes. Most likely it's finished. It's been like 10 minutes. So let's see. Yeah, it should be done. It's perfect. It's dry. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. So guys, I needed 2 hands for this, so my cameraman's in the back. So what you're gonna do, I know you're gonna see my Ratchet Chicken wing sink, but this is what you do. So you take the pot and you pour over a strainer. So this is what a strainer looks like if you guys don't know. It's like a web thing, so you can pour it off and none of the noodles will fall off. It's gonna get steamy like my puss! I'm living Queens. Yeah, now you're gonna pour the noodles back into the pot. Make sure you get every noodle, cause we gonna be eating this bitch. This is part of the crazy food. So now you're gonna take your pasta sauce and pour it. First I have to turn, wait, never mind, I don't want no crunchy noodles. I have to open it, and now we're gonna pour the sauce on top of the noodles. It went in my eye. The sauce went in my eye. Oh my god, that's why I screamed. That was like a real life scream. I never screamed like that. I knew some shit was gonna happen. Ratchet bitch. After, you're gonna wanna put the heat back on and start stirring your noodles with the sauce. So yeah. So make sure you get every noodle. I'm really bad at this. Oh my god, that shit was everything. Let's see. Okay, so I think I put way too much sauce. I feel bad because who's gonna eat spaghetti tacos with me except for myself? I'm so lonely in this house. But yeah, just keep on stirring, honey. Ew, and like, did you hear the sound effects of the sauce going into the pasta? That was really dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna let it like heat up for a little bit while I prepare the taco shells. Okay. So while you prepare the sauce, you're gonna want to take your taco shells and make sure they're the perfect shape. Wait, actually, do I actually have it? That's the only perfect shaped taco shell I have. Everything else is ruined, unless you want to count this. Yeah, this is ghetto. Anyway, so what I like to do, since I don't want to use the oven right now, just for 2 taco shells that aren't even full, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. So yeah. First impressions on a stale taco shell. It's cute. So the 30 seconds are up, and oh, I don't want. I almost knocked over the fucking shits. Okay. Ah! It's really hot. Why is it really hot? Oh my god, I did not think this through. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool, I guess. Okay, so the taco, the spaghetti is done. And I have to sneeze. Sorry. Yo, you could tell I'm sweaty as shit. Look at my face. I just put moisturizer on. So I'm gonna take the pot and put it over on the table. Okay guys, so what you need now is a fork. And you want to take your spaghetti mixture and pick up your taco shell that hopefully looks better than mine. And you want to scoop your spaghetti sauce, your spaghetti mixture, into the taco shell. So hopefully I can do it without burning myself. You see the steam? Oh my god, I'm living! I'm just going to put it over it. How do you do this? iCarly, help! Oh my god, I'm gonna have to wait until it gets cold because I ain't trying to burn my fingers like Harley. Guys, I found a way to do it. Oh my god. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put like little by little pieces. So not all of them. Little by little. Literally little by little, and stuff it into the shell. So I know you guys can't see it, but just use your fork and dig into the middle of the shell. And it will look like a spaghetti taco. Shit, my taco cracked. That's what she said. Okay, so now, honey, you're gonna have to do more, and we're almost done because the taco is cracked, so there's more room. Ta-da! You didn't see that. So now I'm gonna stuff the other taco, and I'll be right back. So me being an ultra fat queen I am, I put one of the broken taco shells, and I stirred it around with the noodles, so let's see how it tastes. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is taco shell on my throat. Oh my god, I didn't chew it right. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting stabbed in my throat. I need some water. Fuck. I'm scared. I feel like it's like stuck in my throat. This video is dangerous. Try it at your own risk, kids. But it's not bad. Let me try it one more time. See, like a dumbass. I'm going in for seconds, even though I told y'all. I'm just gonna have to chew it more. That's why I do, like, with my foods, I always chew it until alright, it's mushy enough to swallow. Bitch, I was wrong this time. Let's see how it tastes. I always make a mess. Yeah, I know y'all cringe, bitch. Oh my god. It's not bad. I like it, actually. It tastes really good. But let's try it with the taco. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm sorry if you can hear the air conditioner. It's a bit loud in here. But yeah, these are the spaghetti tacos. So let's see how it tastes all together. Mm. It's really good. Oh my god. Yo, I always wanted to make this ever since I saw Carly. Mmm. This is good. It's the only thing, because I taste the aftertaste of the stale taco shell. But if the taco shell was not burnt, I mean not stale, this would be so good. Mm. It's really messy though. I'm not really a messy eater, but this shit is messy and it's getting on my nerves because I just washed my face. Now I have spaghetti noodles all over my fucking face. But, this shit slaps, honey. And guys, believe it or not, this is my breakfast. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm eating this. Yo, you have to try this. I told you how to make it, so try it. It's really good. Technically, all you need is 5 things. Taco shell, spaghetti, pasta sauce, a pot, and water. And that's it, bitch. That's all you need. The only downfall is this gets cold fast. So, bitch, if you... I'm making a mess. But it's really good. Like, oh my god. This could be a fucking mukbang. But it's not. Sorry, I just wanted to eat it a little bit in front of the camera. I'm gonna eat the rest of it outside the camera because I'm home. Oh my god, I can't believe this is my breakfast. Like, this is so unhealthy. But hey, when you didn't sleep for 12 hours, bitch, this is your dinner. Fuck out of here, like. So, yeah. Let me finish this video. I'm sorry. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, you already know what to do, honey. Give it a big old spaghetti ass taco thumbs up. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much, and I love this spaghetti taco. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put her link down below. Mackenzie, wait, no, what's her name? Madison Bush. I'm sorry, girl. But yeah, I know you ain't watching this, girl. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put her link down below. Anyway, oh my god, I love you guys. I love you, my moon babies.